I want to show you how to add some refinements to a Casido made bundle in Adobe Acrobat. This is really because Casido is a work in progress and not everything we want to be able to do with our e-bundles can be done in Casido yet. We are, as it happens, working on all these details, but in the meantime, these are some helpful tips and tricks that will allow you to get your bundle exactly as the judge wants it. So what you've got here is a case, a simple demo case I've got, a small bundle with a few folders in it. You can see the index there. So the first step is to export that to PDF, and for an e-bundle obviously I don't want to export for double-sided printing. So now that's exported, I can save it here, and then I can go to Adobe Acrobat and open it up. And here we have the bundle exported from Casido, and you can see I've got the table of contents all down here with all the documents and bookmarks in it, and I've got the table of contents. Now the first thing I might want to do is ensure that the page numbering is the same, because if we jump to the first page of the bundle, this is page 1 here, but it's not page 1 up in the PDF itself, which means if you refer to page 1 of this document that you're going to have to add 15 pages. That can be dealt with quite simply by going to the Organize Pages tab and selecting the first 14 pages which you don't want to be paginated. And in this More tab here, we've got a page label setting. If I choose that page label setting, I can change the style. If I change it to small I or Roman numerals and click OK, what you'll see is the page numbering for those first 14 pages is now page numbered differently. And so once we close the organization page and go to page 1 of our bundle, it's also page 1 up here. And so if I type into here page 5, I jump to page 5. So that's a helpful tip for making sure your page numbering matches perfectly in the PDF and otherwise. The second thing you might want to do often is to ensure that the entries in the table of contents are linked to the pages in the bundle themselves, are hyperlinked. And you can do that by selecting the text and right-clicking it and going down to Create Link. And if I hit Create Link there, you'll simply see a box. There's no need to do anything funny with that. In fact, you probably want to put this to invisible rectangle. And the action should be go to page view. And we're going to click Next. And then we're going to navigate to that first item and hit Set Link. And that does the job. We do the next one, right click, Create Link, Next. Page 2, set link. Again, on page 1, we go select the text, right click it, create link, next, document, set link. Right click it, create link. So it's a bit boring, repetitive, but it's not too painful really, because we've got this table of contents here. And what you'll see now is that, of course, so these, if I roll over these names, I can now click that and I go straight to the page. I can't go back in the same way as I can in Casido unless I use the table of contents marker, but now these are all clickable links. And so when I save this document now, save it to disk, and I've now got a PDF that's got those 2 little refinements added to it. Well, I hope that's helpful. Do let me know with any questions about that at ross@casido.com, and happy bundling.